everyone! Here's one part of the house we'll feature today. The washroom. Good morning! Time to wake up! I made an amazing bathroom for you. My doll Veronica just woke up. She needs to wash her face. But first, let's put her slippers on. Red, soft, and non-slippery perfectly fits her feet. Great! Now time to turn the faucet on. To start your day, let's wash your face with water. Beautiful! And to protect, whitens, and freshens her teeth, let's put some triple action toothpaste on her pink toothbrush. Let's brush her teeth like this and like that. Great! After brushing, this mint mouthwash will freshen Veronica's breath. Gurgle it? That's it! Perfect! Oh no, I think Veronica had eaten a lot yesterday. But don't worry, we'll not pick on you. I'll cover you. Our toilet has water. Let's flush it. I'll give you this tissue to clean up. Here, we have plenty of this. Don't worry, just tell me when you're done. Our bathroom really looks amazing, but of course, some dirty areas. The toilet is a little bit stuck up. Let's use this. Also, we need to scrub it to remove all the dirt. My doll loves the pastel color of the toilet. That is why maintaining it clean is our top priority. Thanks that we have a lot of all-purpose cleaner in the cabinet. Now all the germs will be removed. Circle it like this and like that. Now scrub it again. Repeat the process. Look, so much better. It looks brand new. And now let's see if we have something for the floor. Alright, we have one. There's the floor scrub. Doing great. Scrub the floor thoroughly. All good. That's it. Sparkling clean. Luckily, we also have a cleaning spray. Spray it all over. Lastly, air freshener for a relaxing, fresh floral scent. Veronica is sweaty and clothes are dirty from cleaning. There's the hamper. Let's put the dress there and start the laundry. She needs a clean new dress for the party of her friend later. Don't worry, we'll take care of that. Uh-oh, her favorite dress is in the laundry basket and it's dirty.
Oh no!
Yikes! And now let's test our washer. Here is the detergent and a fabric softener. Let's set up the time. I think 30 minutes will be good. And what do we need to do next? Yeah, that's right. Let's put the laundry detergent in a special slot here. And we also use this fabric softener for fragrance. Dirty clothes goes inside. I've set it to quick wash. Look how fast it's swirling. For the meantime, it's time for Veronica to take a bath. I love the shower area. Okay, Veronica, I'll close the door while you shower. Are you done? Now let me take care of your hair. This is Veronica's favorite shampoo and conditioner for silky soft hair. I love the smell of this body wash. Let's put it all over her body. Now, this is the secret to her white and glowing skin. Then let's rinse and take a shower. Look how cute this pink pail. Oops, I think the water is cold. But don't worry, we're about to finish. Wipe the body gently with a clean towel. Very good! Fresh and clean.
Yeah!
I think she enjoyed her shower. Don't forget to wear the bathrobe. Let's put it to her before she gets cold. Nice! Morning girl's routine, taking care of the face. What else do we have here? Okay, we have a whitening cream, Apply to the face, just like that. Naturally gorgeous. Just in time, her favorite clothes were already dry. Let's do this. Set the temperature to 150. Very hot. Let's iron it on this side and on this side. All done. Clothes are ready. Perfect. Enjoy the party, gorgeous. Take care.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
Let's take a closer look to this amazing bathroom. You can do it yourself. You just need to draw and color everything. Let's start it here. We have here beauty products, also her toothbrush and toothpaste, towels here and here. I love the color of this mat. And just a clean, pure white tiles here. Everything was organized as I planned. Take a look at this flower. It adds beauty and fragrance. This is a real mirror. Look how clear my hands are reflecting. Now let's take my doll Veronica to the bathroom. Here she is. Let's try her to the mirror. Crystal clear. I put 2 tissue paper near the toilet. I love this pastel colored toilet. So girly. We have cleaning tools here to remove the germs. Cleaning the toilet is a must for everybody. Now let's see what else do we have here. Let's see what's inside. We have all kinds of all-purpose cleaners. Here is what's inside our shower area. Love this pail. It is really filled with water. The washer has 2 pockets for the detergents and fabric softener. Also, we have a ready towel here for the face. And here's my favorite part of the washing machine, the inside of it. It really moves in circular motion. I'm sure every doll would love to have this kind of bathroom. My doll is really delighted. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
Baba.